Hi, I'll try to do my best to recreate the app behavior you're asking for. Um, so you have fruits, which are draggable groups. Um, the fruits have a price value that is coming from an API, and the user can change the order. Well, the user can drag and drop the groups, the fruits in the drop area, and depending on the order of dropping, you want to display that kind of output. So the name of the fruits and the prices ordered. Let's do it. In my data, I will use the lab dummy that will be the fruits. I only use that because I already have some data here, existing data with names, so I don't have to recreate it from zero. So let's do that. The fruits, and they have a price, which is number, I guess. I think for the what you're asking for, the where the price is coming from doesn't matter. Uh, Depending on if it comes from an external API or the database, it doesn't matter. So I guess you have a repeating group, which is type roots, which I'll do search for my roots. All right. Here, just for roots origin. All right. Just for it to be to have a visual thing to drag and. All right. No, you have a drag and drop, right? So that is a type fruit, which data source current cell fruits. All right. So I said just to be visual, I'll add the here. I'll add the parents fruit um, name. All right. And let's give it some borders. All right. Then you have a drop zone. Drop zone expects fruits. Um, all right. Once you've placed on the building area here, once you've placed the drop area, you'll be able to access that element action a drop area as a group dropped on it. So you'll use that. So which element has a group dropped on it? It's the drop fruit area. Type of thing is fruit here, and here what you want to do, multiple options. You can on some element of your on some group you can add a custom state, which will be fruits. Okay, custom states fruits, type fruits, which is a list. All right. You can also decide to use a repeating group. So repeating group results, which is type fruits with no data source. All right. All right. Back to our workflow here. So each time the drop area has a group dropped on it, you want to, if you want to use the custom state, you'll use set the state of an element. We've created the custom state on the drop area, custom state fruits. All right, and you will add what has been dropped on the drop area. So you want to add what's dropped on the drop area. So you have to use as a default value the drop area fruits custom state, and you want to add something. So plus item, and you want to add what? You want to add what has been just dropped. So this is the current workflows fruit. That's it. So that's if you want to use a custom state solution. If you want to use the repeating group, you want to display a list in a repeating group. So the element is our repeating group results. Data source, so you want to add something, so that will be the same logic. So you start from the same repeating group results list of fruits, and you want to add something to that list of fruits. So plus item and the current workflow fruits. Okay, and that's it. So just to visualize here, because right now there is no text, so we won't see anything. Let me place real quick current fruits name. All right. And as well, if we want to visualize the custom state, I'll put, so that's the result repeating group. And if I want to visualize the here a little bit of cleaning. Okay. And so this is the result, custom state. So the custom state is a list of text. So we can use a text to display it. So that will be the drop area fruits, drop area custom state fruits. And then we want to display, for instance, each item's name. All right. Let's preview that. Okay, so right now, at the beginning, everything is empty. And then I will drag and drop this, for instance, the one NSK. Oh, my bad. We need to make this element droppable. All right. Let's try again. So NS OO REW. So you see here you stack the fruits in the desired order. And here you can see nothing because I've screwed up with the dimensions of my text. But if I extend that and we try again, you'll see exactly the same order, fruits order. Here you go.